So the other day, my old car wouldn't start. It's a 1959 Dodge Coronet. The first thing I think is it's a points issue. But the spark was fine. If I primed the carburetor with gas, the engine would start, but it wouldn't keep running. So now I think it's a fuel issue. You know, gas tank, fuel line, fuel pump. But there is one more culprit that can be the problem, and it's the easiest of all. The needle valve. So I figured I would show what I did that fixed the problem for those out there who may have never dealt with a needle valve. The needle valve is like a gateway to the carburetor. It regulates the flow of gasoline, so if it sticks, it pretty much keeps the gas from coming in. This little piece was sticking, and that was what was stopping the gas from entering the carburetor. This time I got lucky that it was only the needle valve. That's why it pays to start with the easiest solution first. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.